We're going to refilm this with the microphone attachment. Hopefully this will cut out the wind and this won't be so bad. But I want to show you this part of the ship again with better sound this time. I have the doochickie on the front here, so it should catch the sound, hopefully. Make it sound much better. Walking towards the front of the ship. This is the bow. Like I said before, you can only access this area on these older Princess ships. Otherwise, you can't get up to the front of the ship like you can on this ship. It's pretty fortunate. Been on a lot of ships and you don't get to go up here anymore. On Carnival, you can't even come out to these lifeboat areas. Always painting. Always painting. Always painting. Okay, here we go. Up the stairs. Now it's gonna be windy up here for sure. So we have to be prepared for the wind. Okay, I got my little thingy. Okay, hopefully the sound is better. I don't know if it's going to be. It's very, very windy up here. I don't even think the dead cat will help. But we're gonna try. See how it is. Okay. We are at the very front of the ship. This is where you would do your King of the World thing. Can't really see. This is pretty awesome. I love this part of the ship. Absolutely awesome. I'm the King of the world! Not really. Anyway, that's all for now. I hope you can hear me. Bye.